Hi there, my name is Clay Thomas. I'm the captain on this 88-foot Riva. It's a 2017 Super Domino. The name of the boat is Movin Day, and we will do a little walkthrough. This vessel comes equipped with twin MTU diesels at 2,400 horsepower apiece. Top speed is around 38 knots, and we cruise comfortably at 28 to 30 knots. When entering the main salon from the aft deck, we have dining for up to 8 guests, beautiful 360-degree views, and a very well-equipped galley. Accommodations aboard Movin Day include a full beam master to the aft and 3 staterooms forward with accommodations for at least 8 guests, and crew accommodations aft, separate, and private for 4 crew. Moving to the aft cockpit, we have spacious room for lounging with a removable sunshade and alfresco dining for up to 8 guests with easy access to the swim platform. Moving to the bow of Movin Day, there are great views, spacious lounging areas, and a separate sunshade that covers a settee that can seat 8 to 12 people. Thanks for joining me today on this 2017 88-foot Riva Super Domino. It's been a pleasure. For more information, contact Allied Marine.